Hello guys, welcome to Data Hacks. My name is Bharatanatrayan. Now we are in a 8th video of Next.js series. In this video, I am going to explain about catch-all route. Catch-all route is nothing but a simpler or improved version of nested dynamic routing. If you don't have a knowledge about the nested routing, I will provide the link for the video in the top right corner so you can understand the nested dynamic routing. It is necessary to understand the catch-all routing. So we have discussed a lot about routing in previous uh, few videos. So I'm ignoring this routing, nested routing and nested dynamic routing and all. But nested dynamic routing and catch-all routing are both are similar, and it is the evolved version of the nested dynamic routing. So nested dynamic routing have multiple parameters, like here you can see this. So catch-all routing also have multiple parameters like nested dynamic routing. But in nested dynamic routing, we have to create a template. We can create multiple templates in complex folder structure. In case of using catch-all routing, we could we could create multiple templates using one template. You can see the folder structure of nested dynamic routing. This is the folder structure of catch-all routing. So I'm going to give a practical demonstration of about this. First of all, I'm going to create the folder. Within this, I'm going to create a file with dynamic and spread operator. Instead of index, I'm going to give product name dot js. So successfully we have created the catch-all routing file. First, first thing we have to create is function which we able to export product, and here return. We can achieve the returning things later. I'm going to provide export default function name to export. So here we have spread operator, so we can get the multiple parameters. But to get the parameters from URL, we need to use Next.js router. So I'm going to import the routers from next slash router. So first I'm going to create a constant variable to store the router. I'm going to use router. We can ignore the this error. It is a ESLint error. I will teach about later this kind of ESLint error also. So here I am going to get the data which I have given here. Product name router dot query. So I'm providing this. Instead of this, I'm providing my full name. So let's kick start the project. So I'm providing the command to start. It's starting. So you can access the web page using this link. Press Control and click the link. You will access the home page directly. So first of all, we could access the home page. Next, I'm going to create. So what is the products? I'm going to access products. So first of all, I'm going to give only one name so we can achieve this. Oh, here I have missed to console, so I can give some example so you can understand easily. Product name. Now, now you can here you can see that the parameters which is present after the folder name here we get as in the console. So here here why we are getting undefined. So we will have the parameters in this product name. At the point of rendering we will not have any parameters, so it will have undefined. So instead of this we can achieve empty array by putting empty array in the destructuring part. So here we can see empty array instead of undefined. So what will happen we if we give multiple parameters in this URL. So you can see we will get all the parameters within the array itself. So I have told you that in nested routing we can use multiple templates, but we couldn't use multiple templates here. We make everything within the single file, but to achieve what we have achieved in nested routing we can use some certain conditions. For that I'm going to use functions. If I use return like product name dot length equal to 3, we can take it 3. Then we have product, we have products. Instead of that we can set condition, like if we have two, we can change it here as 2. So we could know that we have only 2 products here. If we don't have 3 parameters or through 2 parameters, it will directly get into the this return function which return Bharat not Ryan. So here we have 3 parameters. So I'm going to, so here it has 3 products. So I'm going to reduce this to 2. We have 2 parameters, it's going to reduce 2. So if we have only one parameters, there is no condition, such condition we have given in this file, so we can achieve directly return function. This is catch-all routing. Thank you for watching this video. Keep subscribe my YouTube channel so you can get all the updates regularly.